Cloud security. Cloud is about how you do computing, not where you do computing. Learning objectives. What is cloud security? A definition. Trends associated with cloud security. How do you manage security in the cloud? Why is cloud security important? Cloud security versus traditional security. What are the challenges? What are end users' expectations from cloud security? Some do's and don'ts when using cloud and its services. Quiz time, let's have fun. What is cloud security? A definition. Cloud security, also known as cloud computing security, consists of a set of policies, controls, procedures, and technologies that work together to protect cloud-based systems, data, and infrastructure. Cloud security involves the procedures and technology that secure cloud computing environments against both external and insider cybersecurity threats. Cloud computing, which is the delivery of information technology services over the internet, has become a must for businesses and governments seeking to accelerate innovation and collaboration. Trends associated with cloud security. Increasing partnerships between CSPs and security solution providers expected. Increasing emergence of cloud service-specific security solution providers. Identity management and encryption to remain the top cloud security solutions offered. Increasing availability of cloud security solutions for small and medium-sized businesses. The emergence of strong cloud security standard and guidelines. How do you manage security in the cloud? Data security, availability, compliance, DRBC planning, governance, identity and access management. Firewalls are like the mainstay of cloud architecture. Access controls protect data by allowing you to set access lists for different assets. Data security methods include virtual private networks, or VPNs, encryption, or masking. Data masking encrypts identifiable information, such as names. Threat intelligence spots security threats and ranks them in order of importance. Disaster recovery is one of the keys to security, since it helps you recover data that has been lost or stolen. Why is cloud security important? There is increasing usage of cloud services in non-traditional sectors. For example, there's growing adoption of cloud services in government departments. There's growing usage of cloud services for critical data storage. We've seen a rise in employee mobility. And we've also seen a rise in cloud service-specific attacks. Cloud security versus traditional IT security. Cloud security is quickly scalable. It utilizes resources efficiently. It has low upfront infrastructure. Costs are usage-based. It utilizes third-party data centers. And it results in a reduced time to market. Traditional IT security, on the other hand, is slow to scale, has lower efficiency of resources, has higher upfront costs, a higher cost altogether. Data centers are typically in-house, and usually that means a longer time to market. What are the challenges? CSPs believe that security is an end-user issue. CSP is responsible for some aspects of security. There is a shared responsibility model. There's security in the cloud for the CSP, and then there's security of the cloud, which refers to the customer or you. There is often a lack of awareness about cloud security. There's a tendency to place too much trust in cloud providers. There can be threats from insiders. There may be a lack of proper cloud security standards to adhere to. And complicated interfaces and APIs can be yet another challenge. What are end users' expectations from cloud security? Strong overall security must be offered. Preferably, a suite of security solutions is offered. Encryption key management features should be offered. And availability of fine granular control. Let's look at some do's and don'ts when using cloud and its services. First, the do's. Do strategize your cloud migration. Do include automated testing. Do consider containers. Do get trained and train your employees too. Do decouple your applications from physical resources. Do review the costs before migration. Do remember risk and compliance. Now, the don'ts. Don't forget about security. Don't relocate many applications into the cloud. Don't be too selective. Don't transfer everything to the cloud. Don't start the project with rigid views of the outcome. And don't overlook the importance of a governance infrastructure. The key takeaways. Don't think the cloud will protect us, whatever we throw on it. Remember, we're still always responsible for security in the cloud. Misconfigurations are the biggest threat to anything. Stick to best practices. This means make sure to follow respective benchmarks. A single leak of secrets can compromise your entire cloud security. For example, Uber leak, the famous Twitter hack of 2020, and more. Understand different types of clouds and your role. The shared responsibility model. CSPs are not solely responsible for securing data. We are also. Legacy tools and architectures don't work on cloud security issues. Look for automation when scaling in the cloud. Now let's take a quiz to test your knowledge. How can confidentiality of information be achieved? Which of the following risks is actually increased by cloud-specific security technologies? The Google App Engine, often referred to as GAE or simply App Engine, which of the following service providers provides the least amount of built-in security? Point out the wrong statement here. Which of the following security technologies is commonly used to give administrators access into trust zones within an environment? True or false? Public, private, and hybrid are cloud deployment models. Why does a Type 1 hypervisor typically offer tighter security controls than a Type 2 hypervisor? Identify a cloud service model which can be used for developing, testing, and managing applications. The main two security aspects you receive along with cloud is thank you.